Yeah.
If you haven't seen my son, she just got out of jail for bank robbery.
Never know.
You never know. Maggie, it's yours.
Oh, I'm going to sing a song that I love and that most people do. It's not exactly a Christmas song, but it was written by the Dillards. And when we performed this song, we were in Aunt Bee's living room, and I think I was trying to betroth my baby to Opie. And we were sitting on the sofa, and Aunt Bee had taken the baby in the kitchen, and we were sitting there, and Andy said, I haven't heard you sing for a long time, Charlene. Would you like to do one? I said, let's do one. And we did a song that was written by the Dillards. It's become everybody's favorite, including mine, and it's a privilege to sing it. It's called There Is a Time.
Greener over yonder, the family's new, the world is free. There is a time when geese are calling, the paths are gold, the paths are old. The snow will come when geese are calling. We need a fire against the cold. There is a time for us to wonder. When time is young and so are we. The woods are greener over yonder. The path is new, the world is free. Do your roaming in the springtime and find your love in the summertime. The fall will come and bring the harvest. You can see when day is done. There is a time for us to wonder. Time is young and so are we. The woods are